XRP has certainly been through a lot lately. From battling the SEC lawsuit to the growing institutional adoption, and now once again, it's in the middle of the discussions about the Great Reset, which is definitely a huge deal. XRP, being the crypto that will lead the Great Reset, is definitely going to come out with huge benefits, especially to its price after the Great Reset. This leads us to the question, what will be the XRP price after the Great Reset? Also, what are the future XRP price predictions by experts? Let's find out. Now, before we start, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified when we upload, since YouTube doesn't always recommend videos of people you're subscribed to. Also, leave a like on this video so we know if we should make more similar videos. Having said that, let us get right into the video. If you had no idea, it has been officially confirmed that XRP will lead the Great Reset. I mean, what would sound better than this to an XRP holder today? To understand why this means so much to XRP, let's briefly look at what this Great Reset is. In June 2020, a German economist and engineer drafted a vision for what the world might look like after the coronavirus pandemic is over. The economist described how countries would come together to facilitate the Great Reset, a reordering of social and economic priorities. The economist Klaus Schwab, who is also the founder of the World Economic Forum, believes there will be no getting back to normal after COVID-19 subsides, saying the pandemic represents a global inflection point. Schwab envisions the Great Reset as an opportunity to make the world better and more resilient, to capitalize on accelerating change. In other words, the Great Reset is a plan that represents a radical initiative by world leaders, both political and non-political, to transform the global economy. According to Wikipedia, the Great Reset initiative involves three core components that include 1. Creating conditions for a stakeholder economy, 2. Building in a more resilient, equitable and sustainable way based on environmental, social and governance metrics with more green public infrastructure projects. The third one is to harness the innovations of the fourth industrial revolution for the good of the public. We want to give back to the community, and that's why we've partnered up with Webull. Our US viewers can get 2 free stocks of up to $1,600 for free. You can sign up for a free Webull account using the link in the description. They are one of the biggest and best exchanges in the world with $0 fees, so definitely check them out. Thanks again, enjoy your free stocks and let's continue with the video. Before we dive into today's topic, what role will cryptocurrencies play during the Great Reset? Or rather, what role will Ripple XRP, which has been named to take the lead, play in the Great Reset? According to Cointelegraph, the cryptocurrency industry has been playing its own Great Reset as well, one based on decentralization. While governments across the globe are working to put the finance world on a distributed ledger in order to digitize finance so that they can have more control, the cryptocurrency industry seems to have its own plans. The crypto industry is striving to put everything on a blockchain. Rather than using social credit currencies, the crypto industry wants each individual to be in control of their own money, to be less dependent on banks, and to be in control of defining what money and real value is. This, combined with the Great Reset, will bring a revolutionary upheaval. What does this have to do with XRP? Well, as the crypto industry strives to change the global financial, or rather banking system through digital coins, there is a need for a platform, or a bridge, where these digital coins will exchange and transact. And that bridge will be the Ripple XRP. In other words, XRP's role can be considered similar to the role that the US dollar plays in international markets, where the US dollar acts as the bridge currency used for numerous international trade transactions and currency conversions, especially between currencies that are thinly traded on international markets. When it comes to cryptocurrencies and central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, this role is said to be taken over by the Ripple network through XRP. Ripple's ability to bridge fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, and CBDCs acts as the greatest link between the Great Reset and the XRP. Having established the huge relationship between XRP and the Great Reset, you could be wondering, what will be the worth of XRP after the Great Reset? Will it explode and make its way to the top of the cryptocurrencies? According to a video by MILLIONAIRES, Ripple is expected to work with more European and Latin American banks after the Great Reset, a move that will further promote both XRP and Ripple payment technology. MILLIONAIRES further indicated that such advances could lead to significant price changes in XRP's price. So, what are the XRP price predictions after the Great Reset? According to MILLIONAIRES, the Great Reset is the ladder for XRP to take the crown of being the top crypto away from Bitcoin. MILLIONAIRES further revealed that the Great Reset will have a great impact on the price of XRP. Experts further predict that after the Great Reset, XRP will be a household name and used by many people. It will become extremely scarce, leading to an explosion of the token's price to reach the Bitcoin levels. Elsewhere, Ripple's Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz revealed in late last year on how XRP can benefit from a global financial reset as a neutral, jurisdictionless asset. As governments across the world set up plans to introduce CBDCs, they will need to employ bridging technology to help streamline their systems. According to Schwartz, XRP could gain in this case by chipping away a portion of the already big global payments industry. If this happens, XRP and Ripple can be said to have succeeded in their efforts to achieve mass adoption. Speaking of mass adoption, XRP is continuing to win over in many institutions. According to data from a recent report released by asset management firm CoinShares, showing net inflows in different cryptocurrencies, XRP was one of the top performers. In other words, more institutional investors are flocking into XRP. According to the report, assets under management, or AUM, have risen to $64 billion for the first time. Of the $64 billion, $233 million was added last week, making it the largest inflow since March. From the data, Bitcoin and Ethereum had the highest inflow assets, with $103 million and $65 million respectively. However, XRP was the most notable performer, after recording a $33 million inflow into its fund. Moving on, let's look at what experts think will happen to XRP in the future. According to recent predictions from InvestorPlace, there are two catalysts that could push Ripple to an all-time high. The first catalyst is the upcoming Flare network launch, which InvestorPlace believes could be enough to boost the price of XRP. The market watcher further believes that the extra income that would come from the Flare tokens could result in XRP stock climbing higher. The launch of Flare is set to take place this second quarter. The second catalyst is the winning of the SEC lawsuit. According to InvestorPlace, Ripple winning the SEC lawsuit would be a major benefit to its price. Ripple is pushing to have the lawsuit dismissed and might just succeed in doing so. On the other hand, the SEC has until May 14th to react to the dismissal, and if it doesn't, the lawsuit is dropped. So, what does all this mean for the future price of XRP? What did the experts have to say? According to Prime XBT market analyst Kim Chua, he believes that May could be the period when XRP tests its ATH of $3.30. If the momentum remains strong, it is possible XRP may even test $3.30 before May arrives, the analyst indicated. Thank you for watching until the end. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications so you will be notified when we upload. And don't forget your 2 free stocks by signing up for a Webull account using the link in the description. And we'll see you tomorrow in another video. Take care.